Hey there, let's dive into the features of the COKUNST 18oz portable blender, a must-have for anyone on the go. This sleek, USB rechargeable personal blender is perfect for whipping up smoothies and protein shakes with its powerful 6 ultra-sharp 304 stainless steel blades that spin at an impressive 22,000 revolutions per minute. With a generous 530 milliliters capacity, you can easily make delicious drinks by simply adding your favorite fruits and liquids, ensuring you have a nutritious blend ready in just 30 seconds. Thanks to its magnetic induction technology, the blades only activate when the bottle and base are securely tightened, providing a safe and efficient blending experience. The portable design, complete with an anti-slip lanyard, makes it ideal for daily outings, whether you're heading to the beach, work, or the gym. Plus, the one-touch operation and automatic cleaning feature make it incredibly user-friendly, with each indicator light showing you the battery level. So, whether you're at home or on an adventure, this mini juicer is your perfect companion for a healthy lifestyle. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.